The smell of burn.
Yeah, but look how good of a curl. I'm getting better. Okay.
There she is. She is 26 years old today and doesn't look a day old.
That's not a good start to the vlog.
You don't like your age? Oh, you're in your late 20s now.
Ow.
She's on the phone with her bestie. What?
Oh, I just have to collect them? Okay, I'll collect them.
Oh, okay. So it's almost like scavenger hunting, but not really because
Whoa, I'm hunting presents.
they're so hard to find. Sammy is the last present. Oh, you already missed presents.
Where?
Look around.
There's this. Okay, this is also.
Hallelujah. Okay, she got the last present. Now we're getting an unboxing.
It's like Christmas.
Oh, it's the one you have on, but in white.
Yay, I'm gonna wear them all.
Yay!
Thank you.
Okay, we got her present. It says from the best sister to the best sister. I actually haven't seen your present.
No?
No, I wanted to get my reaction with you.
They always give me the camera.
And,
I like it.
and it's gonna match your mango bag.
That's so cute.
It has pockets.
It has pockets.
It has pockets.
That's my new favorite student. Isn't that the one that you showed me?
Yeah, it is. They did have it in stock, I lied.
Get it from? Where did you get all these? Ooh. That's the one that everybody said no for.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I think it's cute
I
to
think
just
it's
chew
cute.
with
I'm
it.
gonna wear it.
So we're coming for a little birdie stroll. So we're going to, what's it called? Iceland? That store over here. So we're going there just to have a look at what's there, and that's it, because it's a nice weather outside. Okay, that's kind of cute. Does it move? I don't know. Okay, if I were little, this would be my favorite one. No, because it's ugly. It's cute. Hello again. So, a quick outfit of the day. I have just put on whatever I have received as a present. Djerf Avenue blazer on, as always. And my new favorite tiara. Which I got from this one over here. She painted her hair pink, by the way. Yes. It's gonna be a video, you should go watch it. Cute. My channel is at Edelina. And that's my favorite part, I believe, because I love flowers and I might find another baby that I get to bring home. I love those type of flowers. You can smell it. What is that? Lavender. Oh, is it a lavender? Yeah. 3 for 9. Whoa. Oh, is it gonna fall? It's really comfy, isn't it?
Oh, it actually is.
And it looks cute.
Maybe I should swim.
Can we get it?
How much is it?
It is just 299 and 99.
No, you cannot. If it was like 15 pounds, I would. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's cozy.
Yeah.
So tulips are my favorite flower. What are we getting? Why are we
the
getting stuff
cinnamon
from
buns.
here? I don't want a cinnamon
I
bun.
want to.
I want a pretzel. No, I don't
I
want a
want
pretzel.
multiple things. I want a cinnamon bun and a pizza.
or cherry custard.
Do you want a pizza so we can get a hot dog?
So Eddie is saying that that's the best sushi from the supermarket, so we're gonna get it. And now I just came home to one of the cutest presents from Nati. She's my ex-roommate that remembered that it's my birthday today, and she got me those very cute little pink, what is it? Pink Marc du Champagne truffles, which look like a book, and it's the cutest thing ever. And it's not gonna be Nati if she doesn't get me a candle as well, which smells amazing. It smells divine. So that's the really cute present that Nati got for me, and I'm just gonna open it because it's very cute and I wanna see the chocolates inside. That's so cute. Thank you so much, Nati.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty.
They're so pretty, they're truffles. I'm gonna leave them for dessert for tonight actually. I'm always Joey. Well, yeah, that's the episode with the monkey. And that's the next outfit for the day. I'm talking quietly because some people are sleeping at the house at the moment. So I just dressed up to go to Tesco because why not? And it's that beautiful dress which Eddie got me. It's a complete mess behind me because I have opened presents and I have just thrown everything everywhere. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna go to Tesco now. So that's the complete look. I have my Djerf Avenue blazer on because I love it so much. And I have my Djerf Avenue tote bag as well because I'm gonna get some beer, flowers. Beer and flowers. That's the cutest dress ever, isn't it? And with the Djerf Avenue blazer underneath, of course, Djerf Avenue bag, and we're cute. It is actually such a lovely day, which what else can I ask for on my birthday? It's St. Patrick's Day, nobody's wearing green, thank goodness, and it's sunny and lovely, and I'm dressed in a summer dress. So now I'm basically going to leave everything at home, and I'm gonna take Sammy out for a little walk because it's still nice weather and it is my birthday, but I still have to do my 16,000 steps today, and I was a bit lazy yesterday and I didn't finish them, so I have to catch up for yesterday as well somehow over the next few days, so I shouldn't fall behind because I need to win that bet. So I grabbed Sammy and we're gonna go for a little walk because I have walked only like 3.5 kilometers and I need to walk 10 by the end of the day. Right, Sammy? Благодаря, тат, за хубавата вечеря. So that's the dinner that I requested, and that's the head chef for tonight. He did pitka, which is like bread but more amazing, and it has like wishes inside, which everybody's gonna find theirs once they open it. And we have meatballs, Bulgarian style, amazing. Actually, it doesn't matter, I'm just gonna go eat because it's amazing. Okay, bye. Joro has found his wish. Gary has found his as well. Let's see what it says. It's not a wish, it's like a demand more.
A demand? Because like,
it's
I'm not
a funny
really getting
one.
at that table, the food is way too good.
I wanna try the wine, is it nice?
Okay, what does it say?
No, it's
I can't read that. Like, is that your writing?
Yes!
Oh my, it's Vikki's B-Day?
Perform for her. You need to perform something for me.
Oh, please.
It's okay, I only get 50p.
That's what?
What is yours?
You're so lucky.
Get 50p and I need to dance.
Yeah?
We have 50p over here. Thank you, Gary. Mom found hers. Let's see what it says.
It is Victoria birthday. Take a photo with
Her. With her. So you need to take a picture with me. Smile.
It's Vicky's birthday. Take a shot.
Woohoo! You need to drink all that wine over there in the glass now. On one.
Oh.
Woohoo!
It knows your name, it knows your face.
That's what I said. It has an identification. So if that comes here, I'm gonna be in the actual focus of the camera.
How did
Okay,
you
so
do
it's
that?
my turn, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to take. That's good doing that.
Why?
And I will play this and so it's almost the end of my birthday and I am done. I ate, I drank a little bit, and because I woke up early, I am tired. I am tired, so that was my birthday in lockdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. So, jokes on me, I haven't done my 16,000 steps today, or otherwise said 10 kilometers, so I am in the kitchen doing rounds up and down. Ignore how messy the kitchen is, and I'm sorry if you're getting dizzy, but I am too. So I have to walk for around 1.5 kilometers. Mission accomplished. Over 10 kilometers, over 16,000 steps. Good night now.